Hello everyone. This video will guide you on how to save web pages as PDFs in Brave browser on Windows 11 and 10. Modern browser Brave includes a built-in feature that allows users to save any web page as a PDF on Windows 11 and 10 PCs. Yes, it is quite simple to save a web page as a PDF using the Brave browser. To save a web page as a PDF document, no third-party extension or any software is required. Here is how to do it. How to save web pages as PDFs in Brave browser on Windows 11 and 10. To save a web page as a PDF in the Brave browser, first, launch the Brave browser and visit the web page to save a PDF copy on your computer. Then, press Ctrl+P to launch the print dialog box. From the drop-down of destination, select Save as PDF and then click on the Save button. Once you click the Save button, it will prompt a location where you want to save the PDF. Select the destination. Write the file name. And finally, click on the Save button. That's it. When you're done, you will get a PDF document on your PC of the opened web page. You can open the newly created PDF file using Brave browser or using any PDF reader tool. Happy PDF creating! Let me know via comment how this video is. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Do you like more videos? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.